Okay, Tessa, the document that you submitted, unfortunately, it came in blank. And this happens because the PDFs, when you open them up online, sometimes, well, not sometimes, always, when you open them up online and you write and then you save, they don't actually save. So the best way to make sure that this document saves for you is when you are in the assignment, instead of just clicking on it and letting it open up online, which is what it's going to do here, and you can see that it just opens up in the browser and then it doesn't actually save. So I'm going to back out of this, and instead let's make sure that we save it to like your downloads, and then we're going to open it with Adobe Reader. So let me get back to where I was. Sorry about this. Scrolling down slowly. There we go. Get to the goal setting assignment. I'm just simply going to right click on this because I want it to save. So we're going to save link as, and we're going to go ahead and just make sure that it's goal setting, and it can save in your downloads, or you can put it in your OneDrive if you like. I'm going to go change this to downloads, and you'll notice that it downloads. Then you'll need to go to your downloads, and I don't know that you can see this at the bottom of my screen, but I'm going to go to my little folder so it opens up my file explorer. Then once you're in your downloads, you need to right click on that and make sure that you open with Adobe Reader. Then once you open that file with Adobe Reader, you can type the information that you need and be sure to save, which is this. My save option's way over here. You can't see it, sorry. But make sure you save, and then save that to your OneDrive or save that to your computer. And then you can upload this file into the hand inbox for the assignment. So hopefully this was somewhat helpful, and we'll be doing a lot more documents like this, so you definitely want to know how to open up a PDF.